It seems like an eternity ago that we actually got Vantage Point up and running. It started with pretty humble beginnings with myself, my wife and two apprentices working from a makeshift office under our house at Holland Park West to what's now grown organically to an in-house team of 55 plus team members. G'day, I'm Luke Fletcher and I'm the proud owner of Vantage Point Roofing. Our team provides a range of metal roofing services anywhere from residential roof replacements, which might be your Queenslanders, Decromastic roofs, to commercial repairs, anywhere up to full commercial roof replacements. I've been asked a number of times what makes us different, and it'd be two factors. One would be our people, and to nut down our service to one word would be professionalism. So having done renovations myself, I've been on the receiving end of below par service from trades companies, trying to get a quote and finding that the phone's not answered, people aren't getting back to me. In the case that I am able to speak to somebody, I'm given a 4-hour window, so I need to take half a day off work to hang around and hope that they actually turn up, only to chase them for the quote for the next 6 to 8 weeks and get the ring around. We want to run against the grain, and the way that we do that is anybody that contacts our company for a quote will be given a fixed appointment time. Our sales estimator will come out to work through our customers' personal circumstances, and we guarantee that you'll get a next day quote after the site visit. It's important, and it's worked into our systems to ensure that we get to the bottom of what it is that you're looking to achieve and what we're faced with on your particular site, making sure that we provide the best long-term solution for you. Our reputation is probably the most important thing to our team, and we know it's not to be taken for granted. And that's the reason that we've got multiple checks throughout your time with us to make sure that we're meeting your expectations, but as well as ours. Measures that we've got in place anywhere from our recruitment at grassroots level to make sure that we're hiring tradesmen of the highest level of skill. It's not any roofer will do for us, and it's very important that we keep a tight net on who we let in. In addition to that, we have a 10-year workmanship guarantee. So our reputation isn't just for the time that you're with us, it's also for the next decade where we're going to guarantee that your roof's not going to leak. So in the case that a seal should fail for whatever reason, we'll be back in no time, repair it, no questions asked. We're not satisfied looking after most customers. We want to look after each and every one of our customers. And the way we do that is by making sure that we've got the right people in the right place at the right time with the right solution. So in the case that we're falling short of that, we're not going to sleep at night, and we make sure that we don't rest until we do.